Hello, everyone, and welcome back again to this month's market edition report for the multifamily sector in Indianapolis. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, feel free to reach out. I would love to conduct a personalized market update, market research for you. And yes, if you have any questions or want to set up a consultation call, feel free to do that. My information is in the description below. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what the multifamily market looks like. This time I've pulled up data from November of 2023 to October of 2024, just to give you a whole picture of how it looks like month-wise from the end of 2023 to where we are in 2024, and hopefully give you an idea of where it could move. So let's go ahead. This is just an overview, but like you see, median sales price, we had seen an increase up until March of 2024, and then we seen that peak at that point with a slight increase up until July 2024, and well, I would say very much at the top right now at 215,000. The median sales price list price ratio is another indicator that I look at. Like we see it has peaked in December of 2023, also in March of 2024, and we are here at 102% in October of 2024, which means that we're not seeing any slowdown apart from, say, September and a little bit in January of 2024, which is expected. But let's see how the charts look like just to give us a more detailed understanding. So as we see, the median list price and median sales price ratio, they're pretty much neck and neck. However, as we look at May and June of 2024, we see that little discrepancy with the sales price being a little lower than what the average listing price or the median listing price was at the point. Same with September of 2024, and we are right now at in October. So let's see how that moves along as we move into November and December towards the rest of the year. Um, Average sales price this time, we are looking at a peak of about May, June, July, which is the summer months, so that is expected. However, as we move to the start of the new year, or rather start of last year, 166,000, 196,000, a little on the lower end. So that's more of a market trend based on the months that we look at the data for. Average sales price list price ratio, this is one of my favorite indicators. So like we see, it was more on the higher end, 109, 111% in July and October of 2024. Well, that may come down as we move into November and December, but pretty much stabilize in from April to June of 2024. So that is not a worrying factor, but we can look at what things look like as we move into the rest of the year. Average days on market. So well, this means if you are looking to sell your property, that is an indicator which would give you an understanding of where pricing would have to be. At the same time, if you're looking to buy based on this data, we could negotiate better. This is just an overview of what things could look like from a performance standpoint for market indicators. It's one of those market indicators, but just something that I like to look into. So yeah, that's pretty much what I had for this week's market update. I plan to bring you more such information. If yeah, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions and concerns. And I wish you very best. It's the end of October, and wish you all the best moving into November and December 2024. We're almost towards the end of the year, so um, yeah, stay warm, especially if you're in the Midwest, and I hope you all have a great day, and see you later. Bye bye.